Okay, as you can see, the packaging for the Wireless Go comes quite nicely out of the box, and what's really I was quite impressed with, to be honest, is that it just works straight out of the box. I just turn the units on, they're automatically paired together straight away, ready to go. And yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to sound, but this is just a test. So what I would like to do is compare this with the Zoom recorder here, and then we can try a couple of other lapel mics that I've got that I have used in the past to plug into this. And they're both quite cheap, but anyway, I'll plug them in and talk about those. Test. Okay, so this microphone, I believe, was a mid-range one that I got. It was just on its own, and I have used it in the past in these videos. I find it's quite tinny, so I don't want to, but I'll leave it as un-EQ'd for this, just so you guys can hear what it's like. And I guess I can change it as well, so that I'll try and flatten it out with the EQ now, and you can hear what it sounds like with my level of skill with sound engineering, to make it sound more like real life rather than what I believe is terrible coloration that comes through. The sound coloration that comes through on this microphone, it's really tinny and horrible. It sounds cheap because it is, I guess. That's what you get what you pay for. And just to give a comparison, I'll try out this other really cheap microphone that came with a analog microphone transmitter. So that was like a little package. Okay, so I can't remember exactly what this one sounds like, but I just remember that I hated it. So yeah, I don't know if it was the combination of this and that transmitter, but yeah, I definitely needed to get rid of this. Okay, so there we go. So that's fairly far away from my face, but yeah, the Zoom recorder obviously has I think the main thing that sets this apart is the microphones. And yeah, that was a bit of a game changer when this technology came out. I can hold it a bit closer to my face. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad, but yeah, there you go. So that's me talking straight into the microphone, and you've got the nice stereo effect. So there's one microphone and there's the other microphone. Alright, hopefully that's been a good demonstration of the RØDE Wireless Go and the other bad lapel microphones and the Zoom H4n. Thanks for watching. If you found that useful, then please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, bye.